Cancer is a group of disease that occur as a result of abnormal cells dividing uncontrollably or rapidly and spreading to surrounding parts of the body, destroying healthy neighboring tissues and organs. It happens when normal cells become cancerous cells and multiply, spreading to other parts of the body. Cancerous cells occurs as a result of changes to the DNA within the cells. The DNA inside a cell is packaged into a large number of individual genes, each of which contains a set of instructions, telling the cells what functions to perform, as well as how to grow and divide. Errors or damage to this set of instructions can cause the cell to stop its normal function, and may allow a cell to become cancerous. There are more than 100 types of cancer in human. They are named for the organs or tissues where they are formed. Lung, prostate, colorectal, stomach and liver cancer are the most common types of cancer in men, while breast, colorectal, lung, cervical and thyroid cancer are the most common types among women. In this video, we will be talking about 6 most common general causes of cancer. 1. Smoking and second-hand smoke exposure. Smoking is the most common cause of lung cancer in human beings. It is known to cause at least 15 different types of cancer in other parts and organs of the human body, which include mouth, nose, upper throat, larynx, liver, kidney, ovary, bowel, bladder, pancreas and so on. Tobacco smoke from cigarettes, cigars, and pipes contains a lot of poisonous and carcinogenic chemicals such as tar and formaldehyde, which when inhaled, it gets into the bloodstream, and is being carried to all parts of the body. These chemicals have the ability of penetrating into cells and destroying DNA, which are responsible for controlling and directing how each kind of cells perform its functions. Damaged DNA can make cells grow unusually and differently from the way they are supposed to. These unusual cells can turn into cancer. People who smoke are not the only ones who can get cancer from tobacco smoke. People around them, their kids, partners and friends can also get cancer when they breathe in the smoke, called secondhand smoking. 2. Exposure to sun and tannin beds. Most skin cancers are caused by too much exposure to harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Tannin beds are devices that emits ultraviolet radiation to give people a darker skin. When you are exposed to too much ultraviolet radiation from the sun or tannin bed, the DNA in your skin cells can get damage. Since the DNA is responsible for controlling how the cells functions and grow, when it is damaged, it can cause the skin cells to grow uncontrollably, leading to cancer. 3. Overweight and obesity. Being overweight and obese can greatly increase your risk of getting cancer. This is because too much body fat can cause the level of growth hormones in the body to rise, which tells your body cells to grow and divide more often than usual, which can cause cancer. Overweight and obesity is associated with at least 13 different types of cancer, which include postmenopausal breast cancer, kidney, liver, colorectal, pancreatic, ovarian, esophagus, upper stomach, uterus, thyroid, meningioma, and multiple myeloma cancer. Being overweight does not mean that you will definitely develop cancer. You are only at a higher risk than when you maintain a healthy weight. 4. Excess alcohol use. Alcohol is composed of ethanol, which metabolizes or breaks down to acetaldehyde, a well-known carcinogenic substance. When you drink alcohol, the chemical damages your DNA and also stop your cells from repairing the damaged. This can cause cancerous cells to grow. 5. Infectious disease. Infectious disease such as HIV have the ability of weakening the immune system, making it unable to fight against other cancer-causing agent. Some viruses, bacteria and parasites can also cause chronic inflammation in some organ and part of the body, leading to cancer. 6. Genetic disorder and inherited cancer gene. Cancer itself cannot be transmitted from parents to offspring. However, you are at a higher risk of developing cancer if you inherited a faulty gene from your parents. You can also develop cancer if your gene becomes faulty during your lifetime, as a result of random mistakes made by cells when they are dividing. This faultiness in gene can result to cancer.